Think about your favorite character. What made them stand out? Was it their struggles, their growth, or the way they overcame challenges? Behind every great story is a great character arc, and today we are diving deep into how you can craft one that resonates with your readers. Hey there, I'm Andrea, the founder of bibisco, the novel writing software downloaded by over 200,000 writers around the world to craft their stories. Today we talk about character arcs, what they are, why they matter, and how you can use them to make your stories truly unforgettable. The character arc is a transformation a character undergoes throughout a story. It's how they grow, change, and evolve as they navigate challenges and conflicts. Think about Harry Potter going from an ordinary boy under the stairs to the hero who faces Voldemort, or Luke Skywalker from a farm boy dreaming of adventure to the savior of the galaxy. Their journeys captivate us because they feel real. They reflect change, growth, and struggle. This is the classic hero's journey, where a character starts in a place of uncertainty but grows into someone stronger and wiser, like Luke Skywalker embracing his destiny as a Jedi. Here, the character doesn't change, but instead, they change the world around them. Think of Katniss Everdeen, who remains true to her principles despite the chaos around her. This one is a tragic downfall. A character starts with promise but descends into darkness. Just look at Michael Corleone in The Godfather, a war hero turned ruthless crime boss. So, how do you write a compelling character arc? Here is a simple step-by-step guide. Who is the character at the start? What are the strengths, flaws, and beliefs? Let's take an example. Sarah is a shy, introverted librarian who finds solace in books and ancient history. She avoids confrontation and lacks confidence due to past rejections, preferring the comfort of a well-ordered world. What shakes up the world of the character and forces them to change? Returning to our example, one day, Sarah stumbles upon an ancient artifact hidden in the library's archives. Its mysterious origins intrigue her, but more importantly, it attracts the attention of scholars and treasure hunters, thrusting her into an unfamiliar world of high-stakes discovery. Give the character obstacles that challenge core beliefs and force growth. Now, returning to Sarah's journey, as they investigate the artifact, she encounters challenges, deciphering cryptic symbols, handling skepticism from experts, and facing self-doubt about her abilities. Each struggle forces her to confront her fears and step outside her comfort zone. Show character learning, evolving, or even failing along the way. Going back to our example, through her research and encounters, Sarah realizes she is more capable than she believed. She learns to trust her instincts, collaborate with others, and embrace the risks that come with discovery. This is the moment where the transformation of the character is tested. Will the character rise to the challenge or fall? In our story, Sarah finally deciphers the secret of artifact, but now she faces a dilemma. Should she reveal its discovery to the world, risking its misuse, or keep it hidden? This moment tests everything she has learned about courage, responsibility, and trust in herself. What is the final state of the character? Has the character changed, or did the character resist transformation? Sarah, our protagonist, chooses to share her findings, proving to herself and others that she is not just a quiet librarian, but a determined scholar. She has grown in confidence, forged new relationships, and discovered a strength she never knew she had. Now let's take a look at some common mistakes to avoid when crafting character arcs. But before we move on, if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a writing tip. If your character suddenly changes without reason, readers won't buy it. Every transformation should be justified through experiences, decisions, and internal struggles. Ensure your character's growth is gradual and makes sense within the context of the story. Growth should feel organic, not forced. If a character changes too quickly or without enough conflict, it can feel artificial. Take time to show small, meaningful moments that lead to their evolution. Add twists to keep your audience engaged. A character arc should not follow an overly familiar pattern. Introduce unique challenges, moral dilemmas, or unexpected turns that make their journey compelling. Readers should feel connected to your character's journey. The best arcs are the ones that evoke emotion, dive into your character's fears, desires, and internal conflicts, making their struggles and triumphs resonate with the audience. Side characters should have depth and purpose, influencing the journey of the protagonist in meaningful ways. They can challenge, mentor, or even serve as foils to highlight aspects of the main character's growth. A character arc should not exist in isolation. It must align with the central themes and conflicts of the story. Make sure the evolution of the character influences and is influenced by the plot to create cohesive and engaging narrative. So how can you track and develop deep, compelling character arcs in your own writing? That's where bibisco comes in. With tools like the character interview and mind maps, bibisco helps you deeply understand your characters, track their growth, and ensure the arcs stay consistent and meaningful. Ready to create unforgettable characters? Download bibisco now and start crafting stories that resonate with your readers. And if you have questions about character arcs, drop them in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.